We have the P2000 Primevolve fan. Comes in a number of colors. You may check online, and it will run up to 32 full hours. It is a foldable fan, 10-inch fan. This fan should be in black. We're going to show you what this fan's all about and open up the box and demonstrate for you. Primevolve makes a number of fans, as you can see behind me. This fan's got a nice leather strap. It's on the table, nice and flat, opens up, very simple indeed, lifts up and locks into place by simply twisting the handle, just a little turn. And you could adjust it any angle you want. Now this fan is black. It will oscillate. It have a number of speeds. It's a USB 5.0 volts. This is a USB 5 volt operating fan with a rechargeable battery. That's located in the base that is not mentioned of the size capacity. It has the on and off switch, the oscillating button, the speed modes that go from 32 hours down to a number of shorter hours. Speed low, medium, high, and pulsating. And it has another button and has a timer button of multiple increments. The unit comes with the remote control. Please remove the film. It has a 2025 battery clipped in and very easy to change out if ever goes bad. To turn the unit on, you hit the on button, point it to the sensor, and you have a blue indicator light of increments of 25% when charging. You are given a charging cable. It is about 5+ feet long. It plugs into a power source, and you're going to locate this power supply in the back of the unit over here. You can run it and see it charging. 2 indicator lights, 2 indicator lights, 2 indicator lights, a single indicator light. To me, they look like one large indicator light. If I want to oscillate the unit, I hit the oscillating button. It rotates 180 degrees left to right. If I want to hit the fan speed, I hit the fan speed over here on the remote control. And I point it down up to 15 feet away. As I hit the button, it increases the speed, and it shows it on the bottom of the unit. There is a sleep mode. This fan is as quiet as up to 30 dB in level. In order to raise the unit up, we shut the unit off, we grab the handle, and we lift. This is quite easier to lift as this is an aluminum base and it doesn't have the nylon inside. So it's able to lift up to 38 inches. And you could stretch the cable out, place it on the floor like so, and you can angle it any way you want and be able to cool yourself off. To not lose the remote control, it fits inside the sleeve. Be able to slide this down, and there you go. It's locked into place. When you're ready to use the unit, just lift up, take out the remote, re-lock in, lift, readjust to your angle that you like. I want to put it on the floor all the way in the distance over here. And I want to cool myself off and go up to 15 feet, turn the unit on by facing towards it and hitting the speed modes of 1, 2, 3, 4, and oscillate. The fan is blowing quite nicely. I don't know if you can see the fan blowing as it rotates 180 degrees around. We'll see when it hits me with the piece of paper as movement. Set the timer by turning on and the increments of time you want this on per hour. Shut it off if you don't want it on at all. Normally you grab the sides of the fan, you twist and do your best to lift up, and you're able to come in here, follow the arrows. Open is this way, close is this way, and you're able to clean the fan by spinning this off, pulling this out, cleaning the blades or replacing the blades if they ever break. Placing this on one particular way, follow the notch and the slot. If you don't follow it, it's not going to spin correctly. Lock onto place, as you can see over here. I just simply match up correctly by taking my time and placing on the cover and locking it into place, and I'm back in business again. It is quite difficult for you to see the legs. They got little rubber feet, the USB cord, and the design of the bottom. We are going camping, we are going hiking, getting on a boat, in the RV, in your automobile, office, out in the field, in the hut, on a rooftop, in the basement, wherever you need to stay cool during the fall to the summer times of outdoor, indoor. You enjoy your Primevolve 10-inch foldable fan no matter where you go. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for to keep you cool during those hot summery days. Enjoy your Primevolve product.